This lesson discusses how to create and read a two-way table. Number 1, each of 65 students in grades 1 through 3 was asked, "Can you swim?" Here are the results. Among the first graders, 9 cannot swim and 12 can swim. Among the second graders, 8 cannot swim and 14 can swim. Among the third graders, 7 cannot swim and 15 can swim. Construct a two-way frequency table for the data. So what you have to do with a two-way table is decide what two things you're comparing. Here we're comparing what grades they are to whether they can swim or can't swim. So cannot swim, can swim is being compared to first, second, third grade. Now technically you could put first, second, third grade here and swimming cannot swim this way. So instead of being a 2 by 3, you could have 3 by 2. It doesn't matter, but just you have to pick a way to draw it and stick with it. So among the first graders, 9 cannot swim and 12 can swim. Among the second graders, 8 cannot swim, 14 can swim. Among the third graders, 7 cannot swim, 15 can swim. Number 2, each of 50 moviegoers was asked, "What is your favorite movie type?" Here are the results. 12 men and 10 women chose comedy. 15 men and 13 women chose drama. Construct a two-way frequency table. Again, the trick is to decide what two things you're comparing. Here you're comparing the sex of the person to the type of movie they like. So we're comparing men and women to comedy and drama. And then you fill in the numbers. Number 3, a group of 150 middle school students were asked whether they prefer playing video games or watching TV in their spare time. The gender of the students and their responses are reported in the following table. So the girls, 24 liked video games, 57 liked watching TV. Among the boys, 39 liked video games, while 30 of them liked watching TV. What percentage per remember means divide, and cent means out of 100. Like a centennial is 100 years and there's 100 cents on a dollar, so percent of students prefer watching TV. So watching TV, 57 and 30 of them out of all of the students, which was 150. So that gives you 87 divided by 150, or 0.58, which is 58 out of 100, which is 58%. What percentage of students are boys? Well, the boys are 39 and 30. Again, out of the total number of students, which was 150, divide, you get 0.46, 46 out of 100, or 46%. Number 4, a group of 200 adults were asked whether they exercise and whether they are vegetarian. Their responses are summarized in the following table. So, among exercisers, 65 were vegetarian, 27 not vegetarian. Among those that don't exercise, 75 were vegetarian and 33 not vegetarian. What percentage of the adults exercise? So how many of them exercised? 65 that were vegetarian and 27 that weren't, out of the total of 200 adults. So 65 and 27 divided by the total of all the people, 200, gives you 46%. What percentage of the adults are not vegetarian? Not vegetarian, they were 27 and 33 of them out of the total of 200 adults, which gives you 0.3, moving it over 2 decimal places, or 0.3 out of 10, 30%. What percentage of the adults who are not vegetarian exercise? Notice I highlighted it for you to ponder. The last two questions were what percentage of the adults, so that meant out of all the adults, 200. Here they're saying of the adults who are not vegetarian. So other ones that are not vegetarian, that's 27 and 33 people. So that's our new total number, 27 and 33. So how many of the adults who are not vegetarian, this column, exercise? Well, 27 of them did out of the total of those that don't exercise. Let's see, that are not vegetarian. All right, so 27 out of 27 plus 33 is 0.45 or 45%. Again, pay attention to what they're asking for, what it's out of. And it was of the adults who are not vegetarian. So 27 and 33. Letter D, is there evidence that adults who are not vegetarian tend to be exercisers more than the average? No, because the percentage found in C is about the same as the percentage found in A. Number 5, a sample of 388 people is selected. The people sampled are classified according to their place of residence and the highest educational degree that they have earned. The results are given in the contingency table below. So we have a place of residence, urban, suburban, and rural, and then the highest degree earned, no college, 2-year college, 4-year, and an advanced degree. An advanced degree would be like a master's or a doctorate. They'd like to know what is the relative frequency of the people in the sample. So that meant all of them. So out of all of them, which was 388 people, what is the highest, how many of them have a 4-year degree? Well, 38, 29, and 24 of them do out of the total of 388, which gives you the 2 decimal places, 0.23. Okay, now the rest of the questions repeat for you. If you need some extra help on it, let me know. Send me an email or a text. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.